Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some photos I just took. Just got back from a photo walk from this morning. Sun is shining. It's still a little bit crispy and cold, but it was a good day to get out and try out. I haven't done this one yet before, is the Acros film simulation on the Fuji X-T4. This is the black and white, one of the black and white film simulations from Fuji. I had this on my X-T4, and as always, I just used the 35mm lens on the camera. Got some good pictures, I think. I don't do a ton of black and white photography. Back in kind of this fall, just before winter, I did a couple weeks where I was kind of experimenting with it, but I think I'm gonna try it a little bit more and go a little bit, just to try something new, is maybe do a lot more black and white for the next little bit, just to kind of get some practice. So went out, and I am going to try and do some more point of view type videos. That's been the request that I put in the community tab, and people do kind of want to see it to kind of give a bit more of feedback and kind of talk a little bit about the process, how I take pictures and stuff like that. So I do have a GoPro. I gave it a try today, and walking around with it, it was okay. The problem is this one is a little bit older model and it's not that stabilized. So I'm not going to put it in this video. It's going to make you probably, if you're just watching like a full video point of view of just with this interspersed with pictures, without the stabilization, it is a little bit jerky. It's going to make you dizzy. So I'm not going to put it in for this one. We will get it working. I'm going to play around with some of the settings on this. I think I kind of fixed it a little bit. I do also have a Osmo mobile, which is like a little gimbal camera. I'll have to maybe give that a try, but I don't have anything to mount it. Like with the GoPro, I can mount it on I have a little clip, and I can mount it on my jacket, like strap kind of thing. So it works well, but I don't have that for the Osmo. So I'm going to try and I'll figure something out. I'm rambling, but we'll get some point of views for sure. So these are the photos I took. These are JPEGs. These are straight out of the camera using the Acros film simulation on the Fuji X-T4. And I used, through the film simulation, there is some choices of filters, and I used the red filter for all these. I just kind of left that. Other than that, straight out of the camera, the only post-processing that was really done on some of these was a little bit of crop, and again, some straightening of the horizon. That is it. The rest is just straight out of JPEG. Now I did play a little bit with, and you'll see in the pictures, I did play a little bit with the exposure compensation dial. Typically, most of these black and white photos were underexposed by 1 or 2, sometimes a little bit more. It was just kind of how it looked through the viewfinder. I kind of adjusted it as I went. Other than that, the rest was kind of on auto. Aperture was roughly anywhere between 2.8 to 4. I won't put them on the individual photos because it's just kind of, I don't know if you're interested in that. If you are, let me know in the comments. Hopefully you enjoyed the pictures, and let me know again what one you think. I'll have numbers on them. Let me know down in the comments below what number you like the best. Hopefully you like those. Let me know again in the comments down below what one you like. Let me know the number. I wanted to actually give a quick shout out as well to Mark. Now Mark has shared a couple of the film simulation recipes before in the channel. Mark, he's a photographer from the UK, I believe, and he left a tip. I was on my community tab. I was asking about when you're doing street photography, if you are doing like single shot or continuous high speed, low speed, that kind of thing. And he recommended on the community tab, left a comment and said when he's teaching his students, he recommended doing some continuous shooting. So some of the photos, I kind of stopped and waited, and with a lot of the people when they're walking in front, I changed it up a little bit and did the continuous low speed shooting and got some great photos. So thanks so much, Mark, for that little tip. That helped my photography a lot in catching the right, at the right time. I really appreciate it. And also, last shout out, I wanted to thank we have a new channel member to the channel, Bob. So thanks for joining the channel, Bob, as a member. Joined yesterday. Quick little shout out for that. If you are wondering what memberships are, it's just another way to support the channel. Completely voluntary, but if you're wanting to join as a member, we kind of do some have some community posts that are just for members only. I kind of share some pictures that I don't share in my normal day-to-day community tab on there. So if you want to become a member, there's a little join button on the video here. You can check that out. But I appreciate everybody's likes, shares, views, comments, questions, no matter if you are a member or not. So thanks so much, everybody. I'm gonna get the POV sorted out with this, and until the next video, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.